Samsung launched its new mid-range 5G phone under F series in India called Galaxy F55 with vegan leather finish. Now let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Galaxy F55 5G features a tall 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED Plus display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 1000 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 chipset, paired with Adreno 644 GPU. The smartphone packs with 8 or 12 GB of RAM and 128 or 256 GB of onboard storage, which is expandable up to 1 TB via hybrid microSD card slot. In terms of optics, the Galaxy F55 5G sports a triple camera setup on the rear that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording. And there is 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 123-degree field of view, along with the 2-megapixel macro lens with f2.4 aperture. At the front it has 50-megapixel selfie camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.4 aperture, and both the front and rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 14, based on One UI 6.1 skin on top, and the company promises to provide up to 5 years of security updates and 4 generations of OS upgrades. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 45 watts fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163.9 by 76.5 by 7.8 millimeters, and it weighs around 180 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Galaxy F55 5G has been priced in India for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 26,999 Indian rupees, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage model is priced at 29,999 Indian rupees, and the higher variant with 12GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 32,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in apricot crush and raisin black color options. So, what do you guys think of this Galaxy F55 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.